But there's another yellow daisy-shaped flower that looks a whole lot like this, that blooms about the same time, and it does not have the silky hairs at all. That one smells resinous. It's got a really strong scent to it. This one doesn't smell and is soft. So we're looking for hairs, we're looking for smells. For a lot of the mint family, there are square stems. So, oh, by the way, this plant, I didn't bring you any. If you touch it, it makes your hands smell like burnt rubber, and it doesn't come off easily. Sniff it. Just give it a good sniff and see what that smells like. Some of you are gonna have very benign leaves that smell more or less like a salad. And some of you are probably gonna wrinkle your nose and go, oh my gosh, what's that? But you wanna think about how deep are the cracks in that bark? What shape are the bumps on that bark? They have a spine sticking out the middle, though. That's a toothache tree. American sycamore on the left, that is like bits of bark that have peeled off in almost jigsaw puzzle shapes and left all these interesting patches. People on the internet are not looking at the right pieces of a flower. People who are putting up flowers for identification on iNaturalist are often failing to give us the views of that flower that we really, really need. Dots could be meaningless little pieces of color, but a lot of times they are glands. Those dots are there for some reason. And so this is a St. John's wort that grows on my farm, and it looks green and leafy until you take a picture and zoom in or catch it with the light behind it. And then you realize, my goodness, the whole surface of this plant is covered with these little glandular dots. It could be fun. Like this one kind of looks like a monkey. And they just really have some very interesting shapes. So that's a fun winter project to go look at your leaf and bundle scars that your trees left behind.